So hello guys, in today's video we will see 2 tricks for Samsung smartphones. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you're a PC gamer, you know the value of performance metrics. These graphs and charts overlaid on top of a game give you real-time information about how well your system performs. And for the first time, Galaxy users running One UI 3.0 will get access to similar information for mobile games. This secret feature can be found in the hidden developer options menu. To unhide this option, you will need to open the Settings app and head into About Phone, then select Software Information. Here, tap on build number 7 times in rapid succession, then you'll be asked for your lock screen password, PIN, or gesture. After inputting this information, return to the Settings app's main page, and below About Phone is the now activated Developer Options. With Developer Options unlocked, open the new menu and scroll way down to the Games section. It's just below the Hardware Accelerated Rendering section. Here, select Watch. Enable the toggle on the next page to add the metrics. Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac is a central function if you're editing text. Executing this shortcut will always undo the last changes you made, then adding Shift to the mix will redo what you undid. But even though text tools on mobile are more cumbersome than on PC, Android doesn't have a system-wide undo or redo function. Samsung's keyboard does, though. For this to work, you'll need to be running One UI 2.1, Android 10 or higher, and swipe typing can't be enabled. To check your settings, bring up your keyboard and tap the gear icon to the right of its menu bar. Scroll down and select Swipe, Touch, and Feedback, then make sure keyboard swipe controls are set to cursor control. Now, to undo the last change you made to the text, just swipe from right to left across the keyboard with 2 fingers. You can swipe again to undo the change before that, and so on. Then, if you need to redo something you undid, just swipe from left to right with 2 fingers on the keyboard, simple as that. So that's it for this video, we'll see you in the next one.